Tax advice for landlords. Just ask for Rita.
You're watching Rita for Rent's A to Z of landlord expenses. V is for vehicle and mileage costs. As a landlord, you will need to visit your property, no doubt 2 or 3 times a year or possibly more. It could be to check on repairs, or it could be to visit the tenant for any reason. If you visit the property, then you may claim mileage allowance, which is paid at 45p per mile. If you wanted to make this claim, it's important to keep a mileage log, which should record where the journey started, where the journey ended, the number of miles and the reason for the journey. And this is used as evidence for self-assessment purposes. It's important to note that if you do have a letting agent, that the journey start should be from the letting agent's property and not from your own home. Where this is particularly important is if you live in Manchester and the property is in London and the letting agent is also in London, then if you do travel to the property, the journey start has to be from the London offices.
Renting a property is a never-ending circle. You buy it, then if you let it, there may be income tax to pay. Pass it on to family in your will, and there may be inheritance tax to pay. Sell it, there may be capital gains tax to pay. Rita for Rent. Tax advice for landlords. Just ask for Rita.